Well, Veronica, as the outbreak of this virus continues to spread, health officials are changing their strategies from containment to mitigation, and they're urging some of the most vulnerable populations to take the appropriate precautions.
The more severe your medical condition, the more medically fragile you are, the more at risk you are for serious complications.
HHS Secretary Alex Azar is sending an urgent message to older Americans as cases of coronavirus continue to multiply.
You should be very wary of taking long-distance trips. You certainly shouldn't go on cruise ships. You should be mindful of large gatherings.
These new warnings come as the death toll continues to climb in the U.S. The Trump administration has been under fire for what has been called a slow and flawed response to the initial outbreak. Lawmakers like Senator Rick Scott are calling for more transparency, asking for more information on fatal cases in the state.
We can't be more transparent than we have been. We're holding daily press conferences here at the White House. We get our data out and information out as soon as we get it. We make it available to the media and the American public.
Now, several lawmakers have taken steps to self-quarantine after they interacted with a man who tested positive for the virus. As of now, health officials are not considering a mass mandatory quarantine to contain the virus.
Any organization making decisions about whether to convene should be based on science and evidence.
As the stock market plunged in response to coronavirus fears, Secretary Azar says the White House is working aggressively to respond.
We have economic tools. His economic team is working on those issues. But at the end of the day, the number one concern of the president is protecting the American people from this public health challenge.
Now, members of Congress and the administration, they are working to address the economic turmoil that is happening as a result of this outbreak. We're live on Capitol Hill this evening. Samantha-Jo, Spectrum, BN9.
SJ, thank you. And here's a look at